we want to be able to protect every single person in eastern Oklahoma, regardless of their race. The state should be able to prosecute those crimes. And right now, we just simply have lost that jurisdiction. So we're asking the Supreme Court for the authority to protect law and order in eastern Oklahoma. We have lost the ability as a state to prosecute crimes when there's a Native victim. We're trying to protect Native victims in this case. So we've got to be able to do that as a state if we're going to be if we're going to protect law and order in the state of Oklahoma.
We have crimes without punishment. We have victims without justice. If somebody steals the car of a Native American, they might as well forget it, because there's no law enforcement that's going to be able to come and help them, because the state of Oklahoma can't, and the feds are prioritizing murders, rapes, child abuse, and not property crimes. We're having to ask the United States Supreme Court whether the state of Oklahoma can prosecute non-Indians who commit crimes on Indians in Indian country, which is all 6 reservations, the eastern 43% of the state of Oklahoma. So this is an incredibly important hearing tomorrow.
I think the justices were very engaged with the arguments here, and because we're confident that we're right on the law, I'm confident that the justices will see it our way. And I think they were also very concerned about, I think what one justice said was the unsustainable situation on the ground in Oklahoma. So they're very familiar both with the correctness of our legal arguments as well as the unfortunate situation happening down in Oklahoma.
The federal government was arguing that Indians are wards of the federal government. I take offense to that personally. I don't need to be a ward of the federal government. And in Oklahoma, we've never had reservations. And so I think Oklahomans would be really interesting to think about that. That if you federalize our state and make it a federal enclave, that's basically what they're saying. Heck no, I mean, we're independent, we're God-fearing, we're U.S. citizens. We're on equal footing with every other citizen in the United States. And for them to call us a ward of the federal government, I don't think that's what Oklahomans want in the eastern part of our state.